Oh, we're in.
Look like I'm about to go hunt, dude.
God, you need like a boonie hat or something?
Nah, it's just camo pants, camo hoodie.
Oh, nice.
Might have been the same thing you had before.
Maybe, yeah. Oh, we're like right next to each other. Cool. I'm gonna go hit this building over here, southwest. It's like the hangar area. I got a Tonto knife. Tier 2. Oh, I got body armor.
Nice.
Fuck yeah.
Is your hearing damaged? I'm confused. You're already at max health.
I'm gonna call my airdrop.
You already have an airdrop?
Yep. I can't shoot it down, so if you have a blowgun, it'd be nice. It's a lumberjack, oh baby.
Thanks for calling. Your eligibility to receive a
Do you have a blowgun that you can shoot down with?
Yeah.
and your selected item will
It's
be
coming.
arriving momentarily.
Come on, give me a chainsaw.
Shot down
I have three bullets in it. Where are you?
Right across from me. Like by the big building.
Yeah.
Give me that chainsaw, I'm gonna cut some people. Oh, look at my mask too. It's gonna match perfectly.
Your opponent just got slammed into bite-sized chunks.
What the fuck? You guys
oh
like
my God.
that hoodie? Oh, there it is. Oh man, Donald J. Trump is playing. Oh fuck. Someone's right over there then.
Yeah.
That shouldn't reach us. Oh, yeah, it's right above us.
It's time to play Loot Express. In 2 minutes,
Nice.
a random package will be delivered to Culco Weather and Observation.
Fuck. There's a guy in that building, it's you.
There's a guy here. Two guys.
Motherfucker!
He hit me with. I don't have a weapon, dude.
How do I use this thing? Won't rev. It's fucking annoying.
Oh man, I'm gonna be
I
sick.
didn't get time to test it. Jesus.
I hit him with it.
Motherfucker.
Our health experts recommend a rigorous exercise regimen to maintain your health while here on the island. You should
almost dead, dude.
Come back later and I'll give you a back
Yeah,
rub.
he healed a bit. I'm gonna
Advise you
heal
to keep
too.
your mouth closed if you enter the water on the island.
Well-
Also, it is best if your skin does not come in contact.
Going after him.
Feel better?
Yeah, I don't have anything but my face. Almost dead.
Take a
You
stop.
killed an opponent with a chainsaw.
Oh god.
Do you have a metal taste on your
Jesus.
tongue? That is your victim's blood in your
Fucking
mouth.
start the thing.
All I
I'm
can
like,
say
come on,
is,
we're being
schedule
shot.
a blood test ASAP.
Get your stuff out of it? Oh yeah, with the chainsaw.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Chainsaw.
I need to find ammo for my blowgun.
I'm gonna heal up over here.
Are you a male? Are you a female? If I was a real doctor, I wouldn't be asking these questions. A package has been delivered to Colco Weather and Observation. Thanks for playing Loot Express. I hope you feel better.
There's a guy over here.
Yeah, there is. I don't have anything, but I don't have any ammo.
Oh my god, I have backstab damage too.
You
Oh,
killed an
God.
enemy with a
What the
You have a
chainsaw.
weapon?
Run,
Oh, it's another one? Where's he? Yeah, that's right, run from me. Not backstab me.
You killed somebody
Oh
with a
my
chainsaw.
god.
Run.
Holy shit, this thing's ridiculous.
Another steel pipe?
Yeah, sure,
Yeah,
why
steel
not?
pipe or crowbar? Nice, dude.
I don't know what to do anymore. I just want to fucking find people. I have 120 money already again. Hey, you want a chainsaw? You're gonna call your drop?
Yeah.
I want to make some armor. Do that. So people can't run from me, and if I backstab them, they just
Yeah.
because I have leg day too, so I have 10% move speed.
Oh my god. You're terrifying.
But it takes like 7 yanks to wind up the chainsaw. Does this guy have anything?
That steel pipe's still here.
Is it? Oh, you can sell it because you need money for your drop. I also have an iron skin, which reduces incoming damage, so I can use that next time if we need to. Jesus. It sounds like you're hitting yourself, dude. What the fuck? There's blood all over the place. What's happening?
Big glitch.
Maybe. I'm gonna find a poison container, make some darts quick.
Yeah, I need to do that too.
Was there one over here somewhere?
Was. Over here actually.
Let me open this crate.
Here it is.
Oh, I got a saber too. Nice. Where's it? It's at you. I wish we had a man tracker right now.
Yeah, that'd be nice.
All I gotta do is poison people and then it's over.
Yep.
Catch him.
What should I keep? The crowbar or the steel pipe?
There's a guy outside the building here.
Building I'm
He's
at?
hit. Yep.
You killed your opponent with a chainsaw! Run!
Hilarious.
Get an explosive. Hey. Now I've got a chainsaw and remote explosive.
Oh my god.
This
Rip.
probably trying to blow us up. There's a bandage if you want. This is the one stupid thing. I have to like rev the thing.
I'm confused. You couldn't be healthier.
You want to check out the middle?
Yeah.
How many people are left? Not that many. I have 5 fucking kills. Holy shit.
I'd like to know how much I need for calling an airdrop.
You can't check. Oh, you can't check. Oh, there should be one right over here. There's one over here you can check.
Hit your head?
$85. Oh, I need 2 more. There's a thing up here to grab. Then I'm gonna call one.
Alright. Oh my god, there's so many shots in here. Do you need money?
Yes.
Come sell these. There's like 3 shots in here you can sell.
Call this airdrop real quick.
Your eligibility to receive a personal item has been confirmed. And your selected item.
Nobody looted here?
What's up?
Nobody looted here?
No, there's 2 shots right in here you can sell in these lockers you need. First floor, there's 2 shots you can sell. Your thing's flying right over the arena. Someone else is watching it. They're at the middle.
Okay. Is it here already?
It's almost here. He's gonna try and shoot it down, looks like. There's 2 of them, I think. Oh, there's 2 airdrops coming. What the fuck? Maybe that one flew away just now. Yours is here. I'm gonna hit it.
I got a chainsaw, dude.
You got a chainsaw again?
Yeah.
Alright, so we gotta make sure we rev them. We gotta make sure we rev the chainsaws like really good before we run out of something.
Nothing is more fun than turning on all the gas valves at once.
Is there any other shots you got in here?
Center arena that allows you to do just that.
Okay, nice.
Get down there and choke all your new friends.
There's 2 guys over here if you wanna go get them.
Alright, let me tell this shit real quick.
They're coming.
They're coming
I'm
at
fucking hit. Yeah.
Do you have a pacemaker or other embedded bioelectronic device? We should have asked that before.
Alright, fuck it, I'm not selling this
You're
thing.
all dead.
Don't go near the door.
What?
Don't go near that door. I put a bomb on it.
Alright. Oh. I hit him with a with a dart.
That's fine. I want to come the other way.
Oh shit.
Just go.
I hit the other guy with one.
Alright. It opens the door to barf.
Watch out behind you, behind you.
Let's back out. I don't have stamina for this.
Lead poisoning from... I hope you feel better.
Try to heal up here.
Good health will keep you healthy. Being aware of your health status will help you survive during your time on the island. Come back later and I will...
Oh no, I'm gonna die.
Yeah, just back out, back out.
Our health experts recommend a rigorous exercise regimen to maintain your health while here on the island. You should really focus on running. Lots of running. You're good to go.
Come over here and heal if you need to. Actually, they might shoot you. Yeah, they're still in here. If you have money, just come around the side and use the healing machine.
I might actually use this gas thing to force him out.
You could, yeah. Go ahead. They're coming to you, they're coming to you.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, they are. Oh fuck.
You
One's
killed
dead.
your opponent
Coming.
with a chainsaw.
Going into the gas.
He's like, fuck it.
You went into the gas.
Farewell, brave sir. A wise death choice. I think this is the guy I killed if you need money. I don't know, where is he? I killed him somewhere. Oh, I killed him over here.
I don't have a bow anymore.
There's a bow over here you can get after the gas is gone. There's also a backpack you can use to sell. Just heal up and then you can grab it after.
In the future, keep your blood inside your body.
I fucking love a chainsaw. Oh man, we got 2 clan people. SVI Zenith and yes sir. Let's see. The stuff's right up there if you can see it. Just gotta wait for the gas to go away. There it is. So there's a bow if you want it. And
Where?
this backpack right here.
Oh
What
shit.
the fuck?
gas?
Fuck. Did you get the bow at least?
Oh, I didn't get the bow.
Oh.
Is
Oh,
it
you-
done now?
Yeah, we can't go back in that way.
Damn it.
Let's go to the building over here and heal up. My bomb is still in there, so someone comes in and blow it up. Oh no. No, don't cover the building. No!
Oh, there's a guy? There's a guy? Damn, I need a bow badly.
No, it's not a guy, the gas though. I want
Oh
to
no,
use
on
the
the
bomb.
other side of the rock.
Outside the rock? Oh, okay.
Oh shit. Threw a piece of wood at it.
I hit one of them.
Don't have it.
Oh my.
The double chainsaw. We got 2 more guys. Let's spread out. Get out of the middle here.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, I'm hurt bad.
Your enemy just put someone's eye out with an arrow.
I'm running away to heal up. Let's try to get away and heal or something.
My god, they're all shooting at me.
Yeah.
I'm dead. Or-
Somebody killed your buddy with a gun.
With a gun.
Good, he can use his gun up.
There's like 4 guys there, by the way. One of them has a chainsaw now.
No.
Somebody was just massacred by a chainsaw.
Uh-oh.
Yeah!
So the team, this guy and me.
They're all low as shit, by the way. I got them all on my. You need to heal.
I know, but there's a guy shooting at me. He stopped.
Just have an extra for when you're gonna stop. Already 2 on the ground.
Yep. I was hoping to get enough before I could,
shit.
gas pushes me out. Come on, bomb. Give me a bomb. Nice dynamite. Come on.
My shooting. Okay. What's that?
Stun gun.
Directly across that wall, both.
Yeah, I see him.
Okay.
I want this other guy to get involved, though.
Yeah. They're both up top. Oh. Oh, they're shooting at the guy in the middle.
Yeah, I hit him.
Poor guy.
Come on, bitches.
Another guy with a chainsaw.
Oh, there's
Your opponent just killed somebody with an
Got it.
arrow.
Fuck that. Fuck. I can't get up. Come down here.
Come down, drop down, you motherfucker.
Get the fuck down from there.
Mad. We both have camo outfits and masks. The chainsaw.
He'll never find me.
You killed your opponent with a chainsaw.
Nice. Guess who wins now?
Yeah.
I do. See ya, nerd.
Yeah.
That was fucking ridiculous. I killed like 9 people. I killed 8 people.
Oh
Holy
man, I
shit.
got stuck out there with like 5 people around me.
Yeah, I know. I saw you and I just fucking ran the heal.
Asshole.
I got dyed blue balding hair.
Nice.
Jesus.
That's the good shit.
That was a good one. Glad to start
That was-
recording.